that? Ketchup is all over my car.
My car is clean.
Lucky me, there's a car wash here.
How to build the car wash station. Water pump. Water pipe, 15 centimeters. Drying fan. Exit door.
Please clean my car.
At your service, sir. The ketchup is being washed away.
I want my car to have no more stains.
Your car is already clean, sir.
It's so quick. My car looks like brand new.
Oh no, the car wash is overflowing. Upgrade the car wash station. Water pipe, 50 centimeters. The car wash station is bigger now.
My car got yellow mustard.
Me, wasabi.
Me, tomato sauce.
Me, mayonnaise.
They're all tough stains to clean.
Then wash harder.
Make my car look new again, please.
Make my car newer than hers, please.
Wow, the smell is gone too.
So smart.
How wonderful.
Great job.
What a tough day for my car wash. It's $20 for the laundry service.
Here you go.
Have a good day. What? Don't know what's in this.
Help me clean these socks up. I will pay more money.
Signed, Santa. These socks are large. Oh no, I need to use the large washing machine. I need a help.
What do I need to with these socks?
We have a big order. Use the large washing machine to wash them. Let me handle. How to build a large washing machine. Step 1. Install the washing machine. Step 2. Test the washing machine. Let's go. Step 3. Install wastewater lines. Step 4. Operability of washing machine. Let's go.
They are so dirty.
Add water. Add washing powder.
Look, this sock is all clean.
Boss, I washed all the socks.
Oh, Santa Claus just passed by, right?
Really?
Hey, but what about the money?
Mr. Hand, let's go out together.
Okay.
It's so dirty. Can you help me wash this car?
Okay.
Wow! Thank you.
Oh, is there a car wash station nearby? So clean. My car is so dirty. I need to wash my car. Here is your money.
Welcome to our car wash.
Please clean my dirty car.
Okay. I'll begin the wash now.
Car wash soaps. How to build the soap cannon machine. Step 1. Build the engine. Add the gears. Step 2. Build the soap dispenser. Add the chain. Test it.
Ready to get your car clean.
Water.
Wow, your car is shiny.
Thanks for the clean.
How to build the pressure cleaner pump. Add pump nozzle, add the engine and the battery.
Please help me clean my garbage truck.
I'm always willing.
Thank you for the great service.
Yeah, this car is ready to hit the road again. Oh no, the car is dirty.
Cut it out. Stop crying. I need the car clean immediately.
I can't. Mr. Hand, I need your help.
Don't worry, let's build automatic car wash right now. Build the water spray system. Step 1. Build the frame. Step 2. Build the main engine. Step 3. Build the car spinner. Install the water tank. Entrance. Exit. I'll test how the spinner works. Oh no! I need to stabilize the car. Check it again. Testing again. Perfect. The car is all set. Build the brush system. Step 1. Build the movement system. I need to secure them together. Install the conveyor belt. The movement system is done. Step 2. Build the wash brush. I installed the rotating brush. It does not use a motor. I'll build the automatic brush area. The 2 vertical brushes are now installed. Install the battery box. Smooth operation. They'll remove dirt on both sides of the car. Finally, I'll install the horizontal brush. This brush adjusts up and down based on the vehicle's height. I have completed the automatic car wash for you, Alex. Here's the newest automatic car wash.
Let's run it right now.
Are you kidding me?
Sorry, I forgot to add the soap. Car wash detergent.
I'll clean this car right now.
I'm in a hurry. Wash the car quickly. My car is ruined. I want a refund for the damage.
I'm so sorry.
I can't even catch a single fish. There's so much trash. Stop, don't dump trash into the ocean. Let's build the automatic drain cleaner.
Step 1. Build the conveyor system. Install the chain. Step 2. Build the lifting arm. Build the support gear. Testing support gear with the ring. Build the support frame. Build 2 rotary shafts. Install the support frame to conveyor system. Install the support gear. Step 3. Install the sweeping propeller. Step 4. Build the waste discharge system.
The automatic drain cleaner has been completed. Let's begin the sea cleanup. Great job. Oh no, there's still a lot of trash out there. I must upgrade the machine.
How to upgrade the automatic drain cleaner. Step 1. Build the propeller. Step 2. Build the floating buoy.
I use Formix and empty plastic bottles. I have 2 floating buoys.
Step 3. Build the engine and transmission system. Install the battery box. Step 4. Final fitting.
Let's keep cleaning up the trash. Let's move forward and clean up the trash. Yeah, I've cleaned up all the trash from the ocean.
Let's dump some trash.
Stop! Why throw trash into the ocean again? I just cleaned and they pollute again.